Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and head unit. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone and make sure iOS is up to date. Once done, put the car in accessory mode and open the CarPlay pairing menu on the stereo. You should also forget any previous CarPlay or Bluetooth pairings on the phone. This clears stale profiles that cause conflicts. Do this now so the next steps can create a clean connection, which prevents the unit from picking old, incompatible settings. Now, initiate wireless pairing from the car's head unit and watch your iPhone for the pairing prompt. Accept the code quickly when it appears. After pairing, go to iPhone Settings General CarPlay, select your vehicle, and allow CarPlay. This authorizes audio and app data. Also toggle Siri on if it's off, and grant microphone and location permissions because CarPlay routes voice and navigation data through those services. These authorizations let apps connect reliably and prevent sudden drops mid-drive. Finish by rebooting both your iPhone and the car head unit, then test audio, maps, and voice commands to confirm a stable link. If it still misbehaves, reset the iPhone network settings and repair from scratch. This resets Bluetooth and Wi-Fi caches that commonly break CarPlay. Make sure the head unit firmware is current. Updates fix buggy wireless stacks. One key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity is intermittent, try a short wired connection once. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.